Quarter 3, Module 7, Store Poultry and Game Bird. Poultry may be frozen whole, in halves, cut into pieces, or parts after they are dressed. Parts can be packed separately, ready to cook, or for easy meal preparation and thawing. However, poultry spoils very quickly unless it is properly handled or stored. After being brought from the market, it should be unwrapped as quickly as possible and wiped off with a damp cloth. Then it should be lightly covered with waxed paper, placed in shallow utensils, and stored in a cold part of the refrigerator near the freezing unit or ice. Cooked poultry should be cooled as quickly as possible, covered to prevent drying, and refrigerated. Removing the bones saves space. Frozen poultry must be kept in the freezing unit until it is thawed for cooking. Storage time for poultry and game bird: through refrigerator with 35 to 40 degree Fahrenheit and freezer 0 degree Fahrenheit. Take note. Take note. Take note. Take care. Stay safe.